What's up, everybody? We have the new Legion order. It just got dropped off, and we're going to unbox it and go through it. So let's go ahead and do that. I am very excited for this one. All right. See what we got first. First up, HMB. So this is a newer product and a product that I am very excited to take. It stands for hydroxy methyl butyrate. So what it does is it's kind of a secret weapon, or at least it will be for me. It flies under the radar a lot of times, but what it'll be doing is it's a byproduct of leucine. So that is the amino acid that kicks in the muscle protein synthesis. So what does that mean? So it'll help me prevent muscle breakdown. It'll help me improve recovery, and it'll help boost strength while I'm doing my cut phase this next 2 months. So I'll be doing the cut phase, and I'm really trying to hit hard, get into that 15% body fat. So that's the goal, and I'll be taking this fasted, and this will be taken before my fasted cardio. So very excited for that. Very, very excited for that. Next up, I have another box that I have to open. Also very excited for this. See if I can get them all out. Yeah. We got protein cereal. So I've had a few different protein cereals. I've had Ghost. I've had, what is it, Magic Spoon. Very excited to try these. I'm also going to open them and try them right now. So let's see what we got. So strawberry first. Oh yeah. Very crunchy. Very crunchy. Very good flavor. That is that's delicious. I'm gonna have that with some milk tonight, or I might have one of the other ones tonight. So we'll see. Next we have chocolate crunch. Let's see how this one smells. Very chocolatey. I mean, these can just be eaten by themselves. That reminds me a little bit like, was it Cocoa Puffs? But better. So I'm excited to have that with some cereal as well. I'll also try and come up with some different things that I can put these in. What I'm really excited for is the cinnamon crunch. So I'm a big cinnamon toast crunch guy, and you know, I just like cinnamon rolls as well. Very, very big favorite of mine. Ooh. That's delicious. That is so good. These are by far better than any of the other protein cereals that I have had to date. So I am very excited to have these in a cereal, and then some other, concoction that I come up with. I mean, 17 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber. That's huge. And 170 calories. So very, very good macro-friendly cereals right there. Yeah, I am stoked. Last thing, and this is another thing that I'm very excited for. It's protein. You see this? You see that? Red Velvet. Red Velvet. I love Red Velvet. This is a brand new flavor. So get it while you can, because I fully expect this to sell out. Absolutely. As we open it. That is going to be delicious. I'm going to make some desserts with this. absolutely going to make some desserts with this. So, like everything with Legion, it is all natural, clinically dosed. There's no added preservatives, no added anything. There's no junk. And it's also 100% guaranteed. So if you don't like it, let them know and send it back. But I guarantee you'll like it. So definitely get your order in. It's also studied back. So there's plenty of studies. You can go and actually read them on the website. There's pages and pages. Some of them have 100 studies. So if you're really curious and want to do your research, it is there. Highly recommend it. Make sure to pick up this and more. I have been taking these supplements and everything for about 6-7 months now, and they have drastically improved my performance in the gym, as well as just overall. So make sure you click the link below, grab you some, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And happy to help. There's my dog. Gonna have to go let her out. Y'all take care. Bye.